Hello, welcome to the Will It Fund series from Finance Agents. What you're about to see is a real-life dramatization of an actual funding client that we have helped in the past. Will they fund or will it not fund? Watch the dramatization, make a guess in the comments, and then join us on the weekly Wednesday live show to see the results, find out if you're right, and find out what happens. There are not all going to be layups. Some are going to sound like they can fund and won't. Some will sound hopeless and will fund. So make your vote in the comments. Let's get started right now.
Great. Will it fund? Deal number 18.
Hello, Rhoda.
Oh, sorry. Rhoda? Yeah, that's me.
Hi, this is Trey with Finance Agents. How you doing today?
Great. How are you?
Excellent, excellent. You were referred to us by Jean, and he's one of our many finance agents. So
Jean-Claude Van Damme?
There we go.
Oh, I know him.
Do you have time to talk?
Yes, I do.
Perfect, perfect. Well, tell me about what you're trying to do.
Well, I am working on my mobile repair shop store. And I've got it, we're working on the build out now, and I'm getting ready to open in a few weeks.
Okay, so pre-revenue.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And is it you and who else? Is it by yourself or?
Me, flying solo.
Okay. What have you done in the past? What's your background?
Well, I was in the military. I did some operations engineering, things like that there, which is why I think that the cell phone would be a good fit for me. I did a lot of repairs and things like that for the military.
Okay, great. Now, what have you brought to the table as far as money to infuse into your business?
Well, I'm looking for the Veterans Express program, and I know they have some stuff with the SBA for veterans, and so that's really what I want.
Okay, all right. How's your personal credit?
It's it's okay. It's pretty good. You know, I've taken out some loans for the business, but you know, it's good enough to take out those loans.
Okay, and how much do you actually need for this?
I need about $150,000.
$150,000.
I need to finish the build out, and I need to start the business.
Okay, all right. Okay. Well, do you have any equity in real estate?
I own a house with my partner.
Okay, and you said just a second ago your credit's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Any potential credit partners? Someone from the family or friends who has better credit?
No.
Okay.
No.
Do you have any stock?
Stocks? No, not really.
Have you retirement assets?
Yeah, I have my retirement plan, and then I've got my military pension.
Okay, how much do you have in retirement assets?
I think I have about $35,000, and my wife has some, or my spouse has some too.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, and do you have any hard deadlines you have to beat?
Well, yeah, I'd like to open the store because all of these debts are starting to pile up. I got some credit cards to start the business, and the payments right now are really a lot.
Okay. And have you formed a business entity yet? Do you have an LLC?
Yep.
Okay, well, I tell you what, I think I might have a solution in place, so I'm going to send you some documentation of, or at least the items that we need to do an internal review. When can you get these back to me?
I can work on it over the weekend.
Okay, perfect. Then let's start with that, and I look forward to helping you out.
Great. Thanks. Trey, was it?
That's it.
Trace.
Trey.
Trey.
Sablat.
Trey Sablat. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you watched it. What do you think? Now is your chance to weigh in. Go to the bottom. Click a thumbs up if you think it's going to fund. Click a thumbs down if you think it won't. If you have additional questions that you would have asked this customer, put them in the notes. If you think you know what they're going to get or have an idea on how much, put that in the comments too. Put your vote in. Tell your friends, get some bragging rights, and come back on the Wednesday show to see if you were right.